So let me explain this. Keep it rolling, actually. What I want you to do before you start this song is find the phrases in the song. The phrases are little musical sentences. So with your music, write a big number 1 above the beginning. That's the first phrase. We count about 4 measures. And then right here we're going to go to phrase, that'll be phrase 2, so write a big 2 right there. Go about 4 more measures, and that repeats. So that's the first 2 phrases, 1 and 2. Third phrase is right here at measure 10, so write 3 there. Measure 14, write number 4. And then at measure 18, we have the 5th phrase. Count 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the 6th phrase, and that's it. So there's 6 parts to the song that you have to learn. 6 parts to practice. When you practice that, make sure you just practice those. So let me show you the first phrase. We have a thumb on C and a pinky on C. And the hands do the same notes here. G, A, B, C. And then we move to F and A. So that's the first phrase. Let me show you that again. C to C. And then octaves, same notes. And then 2 on F. And then go down. Okay? So that's the first phrase. Practice that like a lot. Second phrase is 4 is on F. The left hand stays where it was. Our 4 goes to F. So that one's not too hard because you're kind of back in middle C position. So we'll play that second phrase again. Both. And then fast notes again. Left hand. Then we just have a 5-finger scale. You see the repeat sign? That means we're going to go back to the other repeat sign. Okay? The second time through, we do number 2 though instead of number 1. So we go through the song. When we play number 1, we repeat. And the second time through, you don't play number 1, you play number 2. Okay? So that's the first 2 phrases. Those are pretty easy. And those are kind of the same as the 5th and 6th phrase. Okay? The 3rd and 4th phrase are a little bit different. So we're going to put our 3 on G. You may want to write that note in there because a lot of people miss that. And this song sounds like, this part sounds like this. Okay? So the right hand isn't too hard. It's E, G, E, G, E, G, E, G, F, G, F, G, F, G, F, G, and then a 4th. Not too hard. The left hand's not too hard either. It's hard to put them together. So practice those hands together a bunch. Here's the 4th phrase. This one's a little trickier. The right hand does E, G, E, G, E, G, E, G again, but then it goes F sharp A. And on a pinky. So play that a couple times. Okay, I'll do it again. F sharp. Let me end there. This is the trickiest part of the whole song. Pull in the camera for a second. See, we have the circle numbers. They always mean to move. So we have our 1 on that bottom note. What's the bottom note? Say G. 1 on G. And then we have our 6th. So watch my hand when I do that. 1 on G. Then we have a 6th. That's a big note. F and A. And then, I'm sorry, F and D. And then F and A. And that's that hard part right there. We have the left hand note, but it's not too bad. So here's the whole, what is this, the 5th phrase? 4th phrase? Yeah. So here's the whole phrase. F sharp, thumb on G, 6th, and then F and A. Then we go to the same as the beginning. The end is a little different than the beginning. This is all the same, and then we have this little ending. The pedal goes down, and we play a C chord and an A chord, but we break it up. So, first find your C chord, then find your A chord with your right hand. It should be right next to each other, and then arpeggiate it. Okay? And there's Over the Rainbow. Have fun. Hit the button.